Annotation tools can be especially useful to you when there are labels you want to create for different compartments of 3D models. To demonstrate, I will use a simple design of a shock absorber that I imported onto the canvas a bit earlier. To access its annotation tools, I have to select the model and enter its 3D Model Contextual tab. Here are all the annotation tools that can be used with 3D models. All the ribbons in this section have a default setting and a drop-down list. Each drop-down list can be accessed like this, and they contain a few preset options. If you need to create a numerical label for a part, the number annotation tool will be perfect. If you need letters, then I recommend the alphabet tools, lowercase or uppercase. However, if you wanted to create a label with a specific name or info about a part, then the label annotation is the best for that. Sometimes models also come with a bill of materials or extra data that you may need to refer to. Such data can also be used as a label with the data annotation tool. In its drop-down list, you will see an instance name option as well as a custom. The instance name allows you to label the part with its name data, while custom brings the following window. Here is all the data that Envision accesses from the 3D models imported into the canvas. You can create a label with any option like the assembly type, component type, part number, configuration name, date of creation, and more. However, these options will display even if the part does not have the specific data. When that happens, the label will be named as NA or 0, like the assembly type for this model, or design table. Now that you know what type of labels you can create using the annotation tools, let's place a few. The number and alphabet annotations are placed in order from 1 to infinity or A to Z. For example, I will select this setting for the number label. My cursor will now say click on a part. So I will bring my cursor to the model and something cool will happen. All the parts will be highlighted as I navigate among them. This is because the labels will be attached to the 3D model part you click on. This means that if I click the base and place the label here, no matter where I move the model, the label will stay put with the base part of the model. This is the case for all labels from 1 to 4, as well as the letters from A, B, C, D, and so on. The text within the labels can also be edited by clicking on the label once. This will bring the label's text contextual tab, where you can edit the font size, font type, underline, text, and more.